Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one is sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Second, the value of sin theta increase as theta increase. Third part is the value of cos theta increase as theta increase. Fourth part is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Fifth part is cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Now to start the solution of this question one by one. First one is here sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Let A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 30 degree. Left hand side is here sin A plus B equal to sin 30 degree plus 30 degree, that is sin 60 degree. The value of sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Now right hand side is sin A plus sin B equal to sin A is here 30 degree plus sin B again 30 degree. The value of sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 upon 2, that is 1. The left hand side is root 3 upon 2, right hand side is 1. Therefore left hand side does not equal to right hand side. Therefore this sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B, it is false. Therefore it is false. Now second part, the value of sin theta increase as theta increase. Sin 0 degree value is 0. Sin 30 degree the value is 1 upon 2. Sin 45 degree the value is 1 upon root 2. Next sin 60 degree the value is root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 degree, that is 1. Here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. If angle increase, then value also increase. Therefore it is true. Third part, the value of cos theta increase as theta increase. Now third part, the value of cos 0 degree equal to 1. Cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. The value of cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 degree equal to 1 upon 2, and cos 90 degree is 0. Here if the angle increase, then the value is decrease here, then it is, therefore it is false. Fourth part, sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Sin theta equal to cos theta. Let theta equal to 30 degree. left hand side equal to sine theta, sine 30 degree. The value of sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. Right hand side is cos theta equal to cos 30 degree. That is value is root 3 upon 2. Therefore left hand side does not equal to right hand side. Therefore it is false. Now fifth part, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A for A equal to 0 degree. For A equal to 0 degree, then cot 0 degree equal to cos 0 degree upon sin 0 degree. The value of cos 0 degree, that is 1. The value of sin 0 degree, that is 0. If 1 divided by 0, that is not defined. ND means not defined. Now here is cot is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Therefore it is true. It is true for A equal to 0 degree.